Mastering Instagram Reels, a comprehensive guide. Instagram enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Today, we have an excellent 15-minute guide to teach you everything you need to know about mastering Instagram Reels. So buckle up and get ready to become a Reels pro. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly go over what Instagram Reels is and why is it a game changer for your content strategy. Launched in August 2020, Instagram Reels is a feature that lets users create short, engaging, and shareable videos up to 60 seconds in length. Reels have been a direct competitor to TikTok and have gained tremendous popularity since its release. Alright, let's jump into our comprehensive guide to mastering Instagram Reels. We've broken it into 5 key sessions to help you navigate this exciting feature like a pro. Creating and editing Reels, adding music and effects, captions and hashtags, sharing and promoting, analyzing and improving. First up, let's talk about creating and editing Reels. Instagram has made it easy for users to create their Reels, even if they are not professional videographers. To get started, open the Instagram app, swipe right to access the camera, and choose the Reels option. When recording your Reels, you can use the in-app camera or upload pre-recorded videos from your camera roll. You can also adjust the speed of the video, set a timer, and use the align features for seamless transitions. Alright, now that you know the basics, let's discuss adding music and effects. One of the most fun aspects of Reels is the ability to add music and special effects to your content and make it more engaging. To add music, tap the music icon and search for your desired track. Then, you can choose the specific part of the song you want to use. As for effects, Instagram offers a vast library of filters and augmented reality effects that you can use to enhance your videos. Swipe through the effect carousel at the bottom of the screen to find the perfect one for your reel. Next up, let's discuss captions and hashtags. Just like any other Instagram post, adding captions and hashtags to your reels is crucial. Not only do they provide context for your viewers, but they also help your content get discovered by a wider audience. Use relevant, popular, and niche-specific hashtags to maximize your reach. Now that you've created an awesome reel, it's time to share and promote it. Post your reel to your Reels tab and your main feed when sharing it. This will ensure maximum visibility among your followers. To promote your reel, consider collaborating with other creators, engaging with your audience through comments, and sharing your reels on platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Additionally, take advantage of Instagram stories by sharing your reels and using the swipe up feature to drive traffic to your content. Finally, let's talk about analyzing and improving your reels performance. Instagram Insights is an excellent tool for measuring the success of your content. To access insights, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner of your profile, then select Insights. From here, you can track various metrics like views, likes, comments, and shares, and gain valuable insights into your audience demographics. Then use this data to identify trends, understand what content resonates with your audience, and refine your reel strategy for better results. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive guide to mastering Instagram Reels. With these tips and tricks under your belt, you are well on your way to creating engaging, shareable, and successful reels that will help you grow your presence on Instagram. Remember to hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Have any question or tips of your own? Drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.